Hi, my name is Carrie Strope, and I'm a teaching artist in Lincoln, Nebraska, working primarily with fused glass and mosaics. I work with students K through 12, as well as adults here locally, across the country, and internationally as well. For artist residencies, we generally work on collaborative installations, as well as individual projects for students to take home. Students learn how to safely work with glass as an art material in a unique and engaging experience. I have the Nebraska Arts Council Educational Learning Standards endorsement, and as an integrated learning specialist, I enjoy collaborating with teachers on projects to align them with learning standards and goals while sharing the excitement of glass. Visit the Nebraska Arts Council website for a link to my website to view some of the installations from my previous residencies. I bring all the tools and materials with me, and I absolutely love sharing the medium of glass. We can work with fused glass, recycled or upcycled glass to create fused glass works or mosaic masterpieces. Thank you for your interest, and I look forward to working with you.